Now, as the temperatures across the region continue to drop, be mindful of how you're staying warm. Space heaters can be dangerous. In fact, many portable models are only meant to be used outdoors or in large garages. Fire officials say using the wrong kind of space heater in the wrong area is a risk. When placed next to highly flammable fabrics and furniture, heaters can cause flames that could fully engulf a home.
Because if you're sleeping and there's a fire that starts in your bedroom, you may not even realize it. Fires aren't always loud.
Experts say there are safe space heaters for indoor use out there, and preventing a deadly fire can be as simple as reading the instructions that come with the unit. Experts add that families should never use space heaters as their only source of heat.